Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is HopeSorry and today we'll be talking about Excel. You guys must be wondering what is Excel, right? Okay, so Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation which made by Microsoft. Okay, it is a spreadsheet program which contains number of columns and rows, where each intersection of row and columns are called cell. Each cell contains one point of information or data. By organizing the information in this way, you can make information easier to find and automatically draw information from changing data. Okay, in this YouTube playlist, I'll be teaching all of you about some of the basic learning of Excel. Okay, I'm gonna talk about introduction to Excel, which is in this video. In the next video, I'm gonna talk about introduction to formulas. The next one, function, VLOOKUP function, and lastly, if function. So stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get into it. Cell is the intersection of row and column, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, each rectangle in a workbook is called cell. Columns are the vertical boxes which is identified by alphabets or letters, which is A, B, C, D, and continue. Meanwhile, row are the horizontal boxes identified by numbers 1, 2, 3, and go on. Okay, active cells are the cell that we click or we pick on. Active cell will be highlighted, which is the color of the cell is darker than the other cell. It has green outline box. Fill handle. Fill handle are this symbol. It appears every time you move your cursor at the bottom right of your active cell. We move on to workbook. Workbook is the whole Excel file that you are working on. As example, we are working on this file. It's called workbook. One workbook. Worksheet. Worksheet is like pages of your how many pages are in a workbook. Okay, you can add many worksheet as you want. You can add more of them by clicking the plus symbol at the side of the worksheet that you're working on, and you can rename them or edit them by right click at the worksheet that you want to edit or rename it. Then move on to ribbon. This is what's called ribbon. It has file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data review, and view. Name box. Name box will display the name or the location of the selected cell or active cell. Okay. Formula bar. Okay. Formula bar is where you can edit the data, insert your formula or function of the active cell that will appear in the cell. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you guys again in the next video where we will be talking about introduction to formulas. So see you later.